Hi guys, my name is Aditya Jain. I'm a graduate student at McGill University with the Bioresource Engineering Department, and I'm one of the members of the organizing committee for the Zero Waste Case competition. I was really excited and happy to see that so many participants came together to bring really tangible solutions for the existing challenges at the university. And I was thrilled to see how all of them came together, although most of them didn't know each other before, to put together all their thoughts and ideas and create such beautiful tangible solutions that are ready to be implemented at the university level. It was the first of its kind, and I hope in the future, whenever we do this again, we'll get to know more inspirational stories and strategies to implement at McGill.
So it's the end of the first day of the case competition. There's been a lot of really interesting ideas tackling the different cases, and I've been so impressed by the different range of ideas and also the kinds of questions people have been asking. I think the presentations are going to be really interesting.
So we did a project on waste management in the cafeterias in the residence buildings in McGill, and we really focused on low-cost, sustainable, volunteer-based, kind of guerrilla-style approach to it.
It was super fun. We worked really hard all weekend when we had our presentation, so yeah, it was great.
It was a great experience.
I just want to thank the organizers. It was very well organized, and I love the interdisciplinary team.
So our team's proposal was to organize an inter-residence competition, which would encourage students from each residence to learn about waste reduction and proper waste sorting, and to work together as a community to improve their practices.
Okay, so we had a really fun time today. We almost got hit by a few students when we told them to put their stuff in the right bin, but other than that, we learned a lot. We're kind of outsiders to this whole field, but I think we learned a lot, and I think we learned an exceptional amount considering we're new to this field.
Yeah, it was a great 2 days, lovely event, interacted with different people, mentors, guides, and a much better weekend spending whiling away in your bedroom.
So our solution is to problem 2, which has to do with waste sorting and contamination. We're going to use an integrative approach and educate students and have better facilities for waste disposal as well. We were really happy to come to this case competition. It allowed us to work with mentors and really formulate a full solution that we wouldn't have been able to do on our own.
It was also neat to just network with other teams to find out, because we had similar approaches to some teams, and we can collaborate and hopefully move forward in the zero waste movement.
Absolutely.
We're here to solve McGill students putting too much food on their trays, and we were working with some really smart students.
We want to help solve world hunger by reducing waste, starting at the McGill campus.
Yeah, and to the mentors, if you're watching this, you guys are very intelligent, and your help was really appreciated, our team.
So a lot of the projects we've seen today are things that I would be working on if ever they got implemented. And I just want to say that all of the projects we heard about are really feasible and really creative, and I'm excited to work on all of them in the coming months and years.
I was very happy to see this weekend come together through the hard efforts of Aditya and all of the volunteers involved. I was really happy to see that there was a lot of useful ideas that came out of this, a lot of things that we can actually implement, and I was really impressed with the level of engagement of the students and how passionate they are about seeing improvements in waste management on campus.
The last 2 days I've learned a lot about what can be accomplished through collaboration and through open conversation, and particularly a focused effort on finding solutions to common problems. And in the span of 10 hours, we've come up with 5 easily implementable, feasible solutions on how to reduce waste on campus just through student engagement and collaboration, which has been an incredible experience, something that we can all definitely learn from, replicate, and go forward and multiply.
I was the MC for this event for the inaugural Zero Waste Case competition, and I was so proud to see the teams excel at a variety of approaches. It seemed their work was so complementary, and the energy brought in for problem solving was so beautiful to witness. I hope there's going to be another one and many more to come in the following years.